Did you know holding in a sneeze can actually be dangerous? But before we blow the lid off this fact, hit like and subscribe, because once you hear what can happen, you might be too shocked to remember later. Sneezing isn't just noise. It's your body's built-in safety valve. When you hold in a sneeze, you trap air pressure that's rushing out at nearly 100 miles an hour. Instead of leaving your nose, that force gets redirected inside your head. Doctors have reported cases where people burst blood vessels in their eyes, injured their eardrums, or even tore throat tissue, all from holding in a single sneeze. Sounds wild, but it's true. It's a reminder that sometimes letting things out, whether it's a sneeze or even stress, is healthier than keeping it bottled up. So next time, grab a tissue and let it out. And if this trivia made you think twice, share with a friend who always stifles their sneeze. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily trivia.